The lion travels 60 kilometers twice a month to see his lover. The lion has traveled 60 kilometers to meet his lover twice a month for the past 1 year. Accompanied by 3 friends, he reached another lion's area on foot. There is a gang of 4 lions in the forest of Rajula in Gujarat, India. They trample on the kingdom of the jungle, not only in their own area but also in other people's area without any hesitation. 1 year ago, a gang of 4 friends broke into the Sabarkundla area. There he met a lioness. At first sight, it seems that a lion has fallen in love with her. The lion could not forget the lion even when he returned to his home in Rajula. Forest workers who monitored the lions in the Barkundola area of Amreli as well as locals said they had seen the 4 lions in the area for about 15 days. The lions are said to be 4 to 5 years old. They have spread their empire over vast area of Bhangar district. Other lions also avoid them. These lions are formerly from the Patta area of the East Gir forest, but a year ago they moved to Rajula's hill. According to foresters, after coming to Rajula, the 4 lions travel 50 to 60 kilometers twice a month to meet a lioness, and the 3 lions do not want to disturb the love of the lover friend. Reaching their destination, the 3 lions left their friend alone. They wait away so that the lover can spend time with the lion lover on his own. After a while, they went back to their own homes. Sandeep Kumar, Deputy Conservator of Forests in Gujarat's Sitarunji Range, said such friendships are often seen between multiple lions. When they lead a nomadic life, they are often seen wandering around in groups, and when you see a lion there, you can pay attention. Germany built a bridge for rats at a cost of 19 lakh rupees, Indian rupees. The people of Hamelin, a small town 33 miles south of Hanover, Germany, were disgusted by rats. At the call of the townspeople, a mysterious flute player attracted all the rats in the town to the melodious melody of the flute and threw them into the river. But this time the German authorities have built a bridge to protect the rat. According to a report by Deutsche Welle, the construction of a bypass road in the country Passau city has caused damage to rat habitats. So bridge has been built over the bypass considering the rats. It cost about 19 lakh rupees. However, there is controversy over how suitable the bridge is for rat use, because to use the bridge, the rat has to climb 23 feet high. Then you have to cross the 6 feet road. The German Taxpayers Organization BDST has doubts about how much rats will use such bridge. The most miserly woman in the world, whose miserliness will surprise you too. We all live in a society. Not all people have the same characteristic in society. Even in terms of cost, one is different from the other. It can be seen that some people like to spend a lot while others like to save a little money. However, everyone calls a person who spends too little less stingy. The most stingy person in the world was a woman. He is an American. Her name is Hetty Green. He was a resident of New York City, USA. Despite being very wealthy, this businesswoman has a reputation as the best miser of all time, because she was so stingy that she did not even use hot water during winter. He ate only one type of cold pudding for only 15 cents. She would never change her only black dress until she was completely worn out. Hand washing is less as it will consume water, and he used to ride in a very old car. It has also been heard that to save the cost of soap, when his clothes become extra dirty, he used to wash only the dirty part. This woman was a successful real estate businessman by profession. Born in 1835, the woman left 95 million in the bank at the time of her death in 1918, or about 75 crore Indian rupees. As of today, her son broke his leg in an accident, but instead of treating him in a hurry, he spent so much time looking for a charitable treatment that his son's leg is broken and useless. Then think what a stingy woman she was.